Hi, it's Igor from Inspire to Make. Today we're going to make a simple leathercraft project. I'm going to make a protective leather holder for my Apple Pencil. The weakest part of this pencil is the tip, of course, and I need something to protect it from dropping or in my bag. This simple leathercraft project will showcase a few basic techniques that everybody who wants to start working with leather should know. The essential tools for this project will be a utility blade, stitching punch, waxed thread, and special needles for leather. The rest of the tools are optional. I'm going to use a thick tooling leather to make my leather holder. Check out links in the description below for all the tools and materials. The idea is pretty simple. The holder itself will be made out of two pieces of leather hand stitched together with a saddle stitch. First, we're going to cut two blanks for other holder, two different sides. It should be a little bit bigger than needed because we're going to trim them at the end. Then cut this in half. Now we have two different blanks. Perfect size, perfect. We're going to mark a radius at the end of the strip. I'm using a washer. We're gonna stitch right until here. Good. This tool called Groover. It will help us to make a groove inside the leather to guide our stitch. The next step is to punch all the holes for our stitching. We're going to use a classic saddle stitch to put those pieces together. First, set it up in the middle. After the stitching is done, I'm going to use some sandpaper to finish the edges of the leather. After the leather dye is applied, I'm going to seal the leather with the grease. I hope you like this video. I made this project to showcase basic leathercraft techniques, such as punching holes for hand stitching the leather, applying the leather dye, and finishing up the edges. If you want to make your own leathercraft project, check out links in the description below for a list of tools and materials.